before we get going, you in there. So I need you to do something for me. First, get out of full screen. All right. You see down there the subscribe. I want you to click that. All right. Good. And then right next to it, there's a bell. You see the options? You press the bell. Press the bell. Okay. Pick all. You got it? Good. All right. Let's go full screen again. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're gonna be opening up some goodies. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So I'm not even gonna tell you what this is because I want you to see for yourself. This is my first set ever of having this for any car that I've ever driven. So let's have a look-see. All right. Oh, this one. We got a box within a box. So if you cannot see the logo, it is where it goes? There it goes. JDM Speed Motor. This is the company that I ordered this from. As usual, I ordered it off of eBay. I will put the link in the description. And if you cannot tell already, these are coilovers. So I have had lowering springs before, which I did enjoy, but unfortunately for like an everyday thing, they proved not to be as useful as I hoped, because obviously I live up in the mountains and keeping your car lowered, keeping your daily lowered a significant amount doesn't really do you any justice. So yeah, so these are they aren't full. They're not full length. These are partial. So obviously for the Mk4 Jetta, I do and will have some extra mount bushings that will go on here, as well as I have some brand new cap bearings that will go inside on the engine bay, and these adjust. So obviously you take your forks, you break these loose. This top one for the Mk4s will adjust your compression up and down right here on the keeper spring, and then this will lock your height into place. All right, so what else we got here? We have our rear spring keeper and adjuster with like a soft washer seat, like a foam washer. We have the replaced new shock body housing. And our springs. So this will probably be installed by a shop for me, simply because I have some other components that I need to install. Outer tie rods and a passenger side wheel hub and bearing replacement. So instead of putting everything in and then trying to drive it, trying to remember to get it aligned, after I install everything, I'm just going to take it, one shot it, and be done with it. Because I mean, once you've replaced one set of struts, you've replaced all. Like I said, these are a partial body strut, so they're only going to go but so far, and then you have your 2 adjuster springs versus a full shock body, which would have 3 adjuster springs, or cogs, 3 adjuster cogs is what I mean. So hopefully you enjoyed that. You enjoyed seeing them. Nothing crazy, nothing insane. Again, I got these from JDM Speed. They look great. They look fantastic. And once again, item links will be down in the description. Wrench Daily.